This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable and use the nearby share function on this device. So first thing that you need to do is to swipe downwards from the status bar, now open the control center, then find the nearby shortcut that looks exactly like so. If it is not present at your control center, just add it from the list of available buttons, like this, I guess. Or no, you gotta drag it already, whatever. So once you have it at your control center, just touch and hold onto the shortcut. Let me turn it off. So by default, you'll have it. You'll have this page like that, kinda, sort of. So in order to activate and configure the nearby share, just switch this toggle on, then tap on the Add or Verify option over here. Agree on everything. Then choose the device visibility. By default, it is set to be for contacts, but well, it is easier to use. It is less secure, but at the same time easier to use the nearby share in the everyone mode or everyone device visibility mode. Then you can change the device name as well. So I'll name it HardReset Xcover. Then change the data protocol that will be used, or the data mode, so you can turn on or turn off the mobile data for it, Wi-Fi only, set it to be Wi-Fi only or without internet whatsoever, so it will solely use the Bluetooth. Oh, it is also worth to mention that in order for this option to work, you got to enable, well, in order for it to work correctly and fully and to its designed extent, just turn on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Now if we would like to receive something through nearby share on this phone, well, let me take another Samsung to use it as a reference or example, should I rather say. So I don't know, let's say want to transfer this little QR code through the nearby share, so I'll do exactly so. I'll choose the nearby share option. Wait until my Xcover phone will get well, recognized or found. Then tap on it, accept on the receiver's end. Now the photo has been added to your phone, and you can open it and see the photo. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.